No marshmallows. Guess we're out of luck. Come on, girl. We have a little task to go do. We are, I don't know if I mentioned it yet or not. Sometimes I forget. We are at East Branch Campground, and that is just somewhere, what is it, just a little bit northeast of Ridgeway, Pennsylvania. So if you're interested, it's another Army Corps of Engineers facility, and they have some wonderful campsites here, and big too, big and flat. And I'm thinking this is the VIP. I think this is the VIP spot. Because look at this. Now here's something you just you don't see it. I've never seen at an Army Corps of Engineer facility a big flower bed thing. But man, it's like this huge spot. And we are, and hang on, they have cabins here. Let's go over there. All right, and we are over here. You can see how big our spot is. In this this site right below us. We're gonna go over here in a minute. There's a cool cabin over here in a wash house. And come on, this way. Whoa, 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 whoa. I mean, what a huge camp spot this is. And big and level. And check out this big old rock. I wonder how many people that's come camping has sat on that rock. What a nice wooded site this is. Yep, and there we are up there. All right, let's go back over the other way. Come on. Yeah, we're taking care of a task on the way. I got a dirty bean pan and spatula. The bathhouse down here has a outdoor sink. So I'm gonna try to clean that up a little bit. I do have extra water in the van. I could do it up the van, but you know, we're kind of going down this way anyway. All right, this big rock, I took a picture of Bella on it to, some of you who've been watching the videos for a while know who Chuck and Holly are. Chuck and his dog Holly, and she's always up on something. Chuck's always taking a picture of her, you know, up on a big rock. And actually Holly is somewhat of a tree climbing dog too. She's been out on big branches. It's kind of funny, but Bella did her Holly impersonation. So Chuck might see that and get a little chuckle out of that. So they do have some cabins, various places throughout the campground. It's not like they're all cramped into one section like a lot of places are. They have their cabin section. They're just kind of randomly put throughout the campground. But all these sites are like big, spacious. It's pretty nice here and quiet. Of course, we're here during the week, so all the weekenders are not here. What are you sniffing, girl? What are you sniffing? Come on. Come on, this way. Come on. And I forget where the dumpsters are. I know we passed one somewhere. I'm sure there'll be one on the way out. Yeah. Got a couple of bags to get rid of at this point. It's our second night tonight. And we'll be pulling out of here tomorrow, and I think this is going to finish up our little trip this time. We'll be headed back to the garage soon. Yes, soon as in, yeah, we're going to leave here and go back to the garage. There. What do I got here? Yeah, like a little place to do dishes, a little strainer and stuff. I don't know what that is. What is that? Well, it smells nice, like maybe it's soap. And here's something I've never seen before. There's a foot pedal to operate the sink. Is it soap or is it soap? And will it clean my bean pan? Oh yeah. Alright, let me get this done. Okay, thank you for being patient. I don't know what you got on your head while I was doing that. What? What do you do? What did you get on you? Look at it. All right, look at that. Good as new. And nothing. Rinse the sink out good. Leave it clean like I found it. Right. All right, girl. Come on. This way. We're done. No, 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 no. This way. Come on. Atta girl. So do you know what I left behind at the garage? A Coachmen with a bad transmission. The reality of that job is starting to creep into my mind. It's been nice to get a break. I thought, yeah, we'll take this little trip, get some R&R away from all those transmission messes and other projects and stuff. Enjoy some time out. And a couple times that popped into my mind, but no, for the most part, we just enjoyed our time off without worrying about that. But so go back all refreshed and get back to work, turn some wrenches, get that transmission out, drop it off at the shop, and get on with things. Yeah, this is our last evening here. Well, we stayed 2 nights, and look at kind of getting some things put away tonight because it's supposed to rain. I think there's a storm. I think we hear storms brewing to the south down that way. Made some quick dinner. Gonna let that cool down a little bit and get that put away. We'll be out of here sometime in the morning. Back to the garage we go. And oh, funny thing, the people camping down here. Gary and Gail, here we are way the heck up here in this part of the state. They actually live, they're subscribers, and they actually live just over in Natrona Heights, Pennsylvania, which is not far at all from New Ken where we're at. So we met them, talked with them a bit. It was a nice visit. It was nice to meet them. And, I guess they're leaving tomorrow too. And here comes the rain. It's just starting to sprinkle. We've moved underneath Russ's awning. It's been so quiet here. Yeah, hopefully, there's isolated thunderstorms, so hopefully they kind of dodge us. None of the big ones, the big strong cells, come over us. And the time has come to go. Russ and I parted ways. I'm leaving the campground just about an hour before he does, or is. It's kind of, after traveling with somebody for a while and having a good time, it's kind of that point where the trip's over and it's time to go back. I just had to pull over for a minute because I don't know how it happens. Ever how those things fall down? I don't know how they get under the windshield wiper. Bitch got to bang it a couple times, get that stuff out from under there. And I had to run him a little bit this morning to get the overnight stuff off the window. What a nice campground this has been, and great spots. I mean, just nice and big and level up there, and here it's just roomy and it's just a great campground. So, all right, we're gonna get on the road. And again, we're leaving. This is the East Branch Army Corps of Engineers campground near Wilcox, Pennsylvania. It's really, really nice. Cell service is a bit spotty. It's some fading in and out, but there's some service here, at least way up here on the hill. So note that, write that little note down if you're thinking about staying in here. And we're off. We have about a 2.5 hour drive to get back. This will be our longest driving day in the entire trip. On the way out, we're go for a little bit and check one place out, go for a little bit and check another place out, and just kind of meander along. But we've made our way. Hopefully got enough gas to get back. We may have done this trip on 1 tank full of gas. We're going to check the gas mileage, see how we did. Wow, what a nice spot this is. Oh, there's a bunch of firewood. Somebody left behind a bunch of firewood over there. Oh, how I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this or not, but down there in the woods, there's two benches there that overlook the valley. There's actually well, it just overlooks the road down below. There is a bit of a view, but there is a lake down there. There's a dam here, Army Corps of Engineers. There is a dam and a big lake, which we didn't bother to go see. Again, here's a nice pull-through site. So nice here. There's another one of them cabins up there. There's another one there. Cabin number 3. I just love these wooded campgrounds. Another nice pull-through spot up there. Bella. We're going. We got a long drive ahead of us. One more cabin here, more in the opening. What a nice place. I don't know if we're gonna stop anywhere on the way. We may just get the trip done with. I got things to get back to. Yeah, some roadside oddity happens to jump out in front of us or where we might stop and check it out. We may cut away here and just magically be bang back at the garage. I just skip the entire, just get her done. We are encountering a little bit of Amish traffic today. So we went the other way. This one's going this way. Other than that, not a whole lot going on. We will resume our trip. Well, we pulled in a few minutes ago. Looks like the grass needs cut. I kind of knew it would. Something I forgot. I did already go inside a minute, and Belle's in there. Something I forgot to do was turn the water pump off inside. I'm thinking, oh no, if for some reason a water pipe or something were to decide to let loose, the pump would pump the tank empty, and there it would sit the pump just running and probably burn itself out. Well, fortunately that didn't happen. We still have water pressure, so I know the tank's still good. The Fiesta had that hiccup shortly before we left. That battery hiccup. I'm just hoping it starts. Hopefully that was just some little glitch that won't be a problem going forward too much or at all. If she starts, I will be happy. Well, can't be totally dead. Oh yeah. All right. Good. I'm gonna move this so I can probably cut some grass here after a bit. Oops. I was supposed to stop and get gas, wasn't I? And check the mileage. Oh, we're back to the Coachmen. It was nice. I kind of cleaned up before we left, and yeah, I just threw these when we came in. I left this fan running the whole time we were gone, and the window air conditioner I put on low, pretty low, just to keep it under control in here, because I know there was going to be some hot days, and there was. And I closed these front blackout curtains while we were gone, and actually tucked them really good down there, so I didn't also try to cool that front. I didn't care if that front got hot. I just thought that the main living area back here, it stays under control. We're okay. It'd be better doing that. But go ahead, outside. What? You missed the van already? Huh? It's funny how big and roomy the Coachman seems after spending about 10 days in the van. I get some things moved back over here. So I might just, it's already over here. I might just have some lunch here and move things later.